Hi friends, welcome to Informatica. So today we are discussing about the topic is called creating event, that is event weight and event raise. Okay, now we go to the workflow. So we are having the workflow designer like this. So here I want to execute first this join EDL. So if then is this one this session is executed, then we go for the this session. So for that we have to put here one event raise. Here we put one event raise, and we have to put for one event wait. So when event raise is occur is so then it will be executed here. So for that we have to create events. So here in the workflow level we have to create an event by clicking on workflow edit. Go to the events and create here already event created. Now I want to create new event and apply. Okay, then we create with the link task to event rise and double click on this and go to the properties. This is user defined event. So we go for here and we select that event one. Okay, apply. Okay, then we come to when we have to give the connection with the link task to event wait. Here we have to create, we have to link the events. So this is predefined is already seen in the event watch file in the earlier video. Now it is a user defined event. So now we click on this user defined event and click on this. So select new event here. Okay, and apply. Okay. So we give the connection to this. So our workflow will be executed first this one, and then it comes to here. It will execute, and if it is comes here, it is waiting for the raise event. So if it is confirmed, then it come to here. This event will take this confirmation from here to here. Then it will execute later. So first execute this one, next this one, next event will rise, then event wait, and this s underscore m underscore alternate. So we go for this execution now. We go to save here and go to start workflow. So look here first. We minimize this one. By minimizing, we can see. Close this one. So here, look here. First, the s underscore m underscore employee parameter is executed. Then it is going to s underscore join EDL salary. This one is executed, and then it go to the event wait. So this one also it came here event wait. So the event is wait. So then event raise occurs. This event wait is executed. Then it comes to s underscore m underscore alternative records. So if suppose we see here uh, by removing this task here, go to the start workflow, we modified this one, we save it and go to start workflow. Now look at the workflow. So event wait is running instead. So why? Because here we are not getting the confirmation from the event trace. Understood? So we stop this execution now. So now we give the here link to this one. Now we save it again and we save it again and go to start workflow. Then see now. So this executed event wait came. Event wait is waiting until the execution is completed here. Let's see. Now it takes time. It is waiting for the event trace confirmation. Okay. Okay, now again we save it here. Go to event trace. Go to start our flow. It takes time now. Okay, this is the event process of event fetch and event trace. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and share.